Beautiful babes, it is Sweet Angel, and right now, girlfriend, I'm playing catch up. It is day 18, and oh my goodness, the actual date has far passed the 18th. But today, I am finally getting around to it because I've been slightly under the weather. So if I sound a little nasally, now you know. But let me tell you, we are going to talk about the area that speaks before you do. Okay, it is your eyes. You can have beautiful skin, nice hair, even makeup, but if the eyes look tired, the whole face looks tired. And many women think dark circles mean you didn't sleep. Not always. As we age, the skin under the eyes become thinner, so the tiny blood vessels underneath start showing through. That creates the darker appearance. Also, fluid collects overnight, which causes puffiness in the morning. So the problem is not just color, it is circulation and delicate skin. What today's treatment does, it is designed to reduce the appearance of puffiness, soothe the under eye area, brighten the look of darkness, and smooth fine lines temporarily. We are not harshly treating the eyes. We are calming and refreshing them. This is for you. If concealer creases quickly, you wake up with under eye bags, or your eyes look tired even when you feel fine. And with all face masks or products you put on your face, start with a clean face. Use your ring finger only. It applies the least pressure. Apply gently, tapping, not rubbing. Never pull the skin under the eyes. The best time to use this is in the morning because this helps reduce overnight fluid buildup and prepares your eyes for the day. Leave it on about 10 to 12 minutes only. The under eye skin is delicate. More time is not better. And yes, this is gentle enough for daily or every other day use. And the reason this works is because it cools, soothes, and lightly hydrates all at once. The ingredients are simple. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of chilled aloe vera gel, which hydrates and calms delicate skin. And we'll be taking 1 teaspoon of finely grated cucumber, or you can use cucumber juice, which helps reduce the look of puffiness and refreshes the eye area. And we'll also be adding 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil. And vitamin E helps soften fine lines and dryness. To prepare it, simply grate your cucumber very fine, squeeze slightly to get the juice, mix with chilled aloe vera, and add vitamin E drops. You can keep this mixture cool. Coolness helps puffiness. And again, apply using your ring finger or a small brush. Gently tap a thin layer under both eyes, then sit back and relax. No talking, no squinting, no scrolling. You can also soak cotton pads in the mixture and place them under your eyes. You will feel a cooling sensation and slight tightening as it dries. And to remove it, just rinse gently with cool water or wipe slightly with a damp cloth. Then apply your eye cream or moisturizer. Immediately, your eyes look fresher, puffiness look reduced, and your concealer will apply smoother. With regular use, your under eyes will appear brighter and fine lines will look softer. The eyes are the first place people look. I certainly hope you enjoyed today's video and got something out of it, and I definitely believe this will be helpful for you. Please stick and stay, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and please share this with a friend. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.